Hi, and welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. And don't forget, the full transcript for each video can be found in the description below on YouTube. So, sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. A quick correction before we start. In the last video, tit, I said that went was the past form of to be. Of course, this is not true. Went is the past form of to go. So, apologies for that oversight. Also, look forward soon to these videos being released in podcast form. I'll let you know when they become available. Okay, today's word, scum. S-C-U-M. Scum. A horrible word today, and one that can be said with real passion. The etymology. The noun scum originates from Middle Dutch, scummer, which was a kind of big spoon used to remove impurities from cooking liquids and broths, itself derived from the Dutch scum, meaning foam or froth. The first recorded usage dates back to the early 14th century, but the meaning quickly changed to refer to the actual foam and froth of impurities on top of the soup or liquid instead of the implement itself. No reference for when scum came to be an insult against a person. It seems to be unknown. Sorry about that. I am scum. I know. All right, let's go. Word types of scum. Noun, verb, and with the addition of the suffix y, not forgetting doubling up the consonant, as is the grammatical rule, we get the adjective scummy. As a verb, it is regular, so the infinitive form is to scum, the past tense form is scummed, the past participle is scummed, and finally, the progressive form is scumming. Note, this word is usually only used as a verb in the phrasal verb form of scummed up. Don't worry, we'll get to that later. All right, usage one. As a noun, a film of viscous, slimy, disgusting impurity on the surface of a liquid. Example one, the algae in the swamp has formed a thick scum on the surface. Example two, I boiled the chicken for the soup and had to remove the scum with a ladle. So that horrible, slimy, unpleasant stuff that forms on the top of liquids. Usage two, as a noun, a detestable, hateful person. Example one, that guy stole money from the disabled charity box. He is scum. Example two, men who beat their wives are scum. So we use this word only when talking about people we really, really don't like. Notice the shape of my mouth as I say it, the tone of my voice, and the look on my face. There is a sense of revulsion to the word that we can feel in ourselves. So strong is the emotion when using this word. Usage three, as a phrasal verb, scummed up, to become blocked or dirty with scum. Example one, I need to clean the sink. The plug hole has become scummed up. Example two, I spent 3 hours greasing my bike this morning because the gears had got all scummed up. So when something becomes filthy or dirty to the point that it is blocked or unusable thanks to scum, we can say it is scummed up. Usage four, as a noun, this time the derivative scumbag. S-C-U-M-B-A-G. Scumbag. Very similar to the insult scum. This is used against people we do not like, but it is softer and even comedic. We often use it to talk about ourselves when we feel bad about something or have done something wrong that is not too serious. Example 1. I asked Sarah if she was pregnant, but turns out she just got fat. I feel like such a scumbag. Example 2. The butcher charged me $10 for this piece of beef when I think it should have been no more than 8. The scumbag. So we can see the context for usage are less serious, less important, and less emotional. It's a criticism and an insult, sure, but not a serious one. Usage 5 as an adjective with the suffix y plus the double consonant ending again to give us scummy. S-C-U-M-M-Y. Scummy. To describe feelings of being dirty or of having done something wrong. Example 1. I've been working in the garden for 8 hours. I really need to take a shower. I feel scummy. Example 2. I told Tom that his wife was cheating on him. I know it was the right thing to do, but I feel really scummy. So, when we physically or emotionally feel dirty, we can use the adjective scummy. Usage 6 in the expression scum of the earth. As with the insult scum, this is reserved for people we find detestable and repulsive. Example 1. People who commit sex crimes against children are the scum of the earth. Example 2. He killed her and he knew she was pregnant. He is the scum of the earth. So, a very strong insult used against individuals or groups that we find intolerable and reprehensible. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure you don't miss a single video. Now,